Experiencing digestive problems? We're here to help. At Advanced Health Chiropractic, we understand how such issues can interfere with your life. Chiropractic adjustments might be the key to improving your digestive health. By promoting optimal nervous system function, we can enhance your body's digestion control. Whether you're dealing with bloating, constipation, or other digestive concerns, we're ready to assist you. Start your journey to improve digestive health by reaching out to us at 248-813-0500 or visiting our website. Let's help your body function better together.